Well, everyone tuning into the live stream or recorded live stream, thank you all for clicking on the video, joining this video. I am actually supposed to be going to work right now, but I got the roofing company installing tiles on the roof, so they're blocking my driveway, and my workman is in the garage, so I can't get out. So I have to wait. So meanwhile, I'm gonna do this. Just wanna add some tags to the video before I keep going. That's good. Let's see. Oh, I didn't read. I'll edit the thumbnail. I got the file there. I won't do it now though. All right. So, oops. Let's go here. So last episode, which is the first episode ever, we're doing responsive web design certification. So far, I am done with all these here. And now, this is where it gets real. I gotta build this from scratch. And at the end of my last episode, I showed what it was actually going to be looking like. So let's see what happens. All right, first, you should have an H1 element with an ID of title. So there's that many steps. User stories. All right, let's just go ahead and write this. H1 ID title. Let's close this out. H1. Boom. You should have a short explanation and a P element with an ID of description. P. Description. Wait, what? We're not live? Hello? Okay. You should have a form with ID. Oh. A survey form. Inside of the form element, you are required to enter your name and input. Input field ID name and then type Type text. All right. Inside the element is required. Okay, so we're just gonna go ahead and copy this, paste this email. If you enter an email that's not formatted correctly, you will see an error. You required. That's right. Required. Required. Or we can enter a number in input field. Number? Is that right? The number input should not accept non-numbers, either by preventing you from typing them or by showing an HTML5 validation, depending on your browser. Okay. Maybe you have to put email. Why is this not showing that I'm streaming? Am I not live? Oh yeah. That's weird. That's weird. Okay. Where were we? Hello? The number input should not accept non-numbers. Is this required? Yes, it doesn't say required. If you enter number outside the range of number inputs, which are defined by minimum and maximum attributes, you will see. The name, email, and number input fields, you can see corresponding label elements in the form that describe the purpose of each field with the following IDs. On our gun. Alright, so we gotta do label. ID. This is crazy. ID. Name. Now we gotta do how many of these? This is for email? Email. Email. Number label. Number label. Bam. Inside the form element, you should have a select drop down element with an ID of, okay. So select ID drop down select, right? As a form element, you can select an option from a group of at least 2 radio buttons that are grouped using the name attribute. What? Wait, what? Oh yeah, gotta put the labels here. Label name email. Let's put age. I don't know. Input ID number. Minimum, let's say 18. Max, let's just say 86. I don't know. Okay. This drop down menu is the one I'm doing here. I don't know what happened here. There's a drop down, right? Drop down. And at least 2 options to choose from. Option, 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 yeah, yeah. I was gonna say, sa wah. What is this saying, bro? Audio stream current bitrate 0. Hi, what is that? Lower the recommended bitrate. What's wrong with the bitrate, bro? It's fine. What you talking about, Willis? Output, audio. It's fine, dude. Oh, I don't know. Whatever. It should be working, hopefully. We gotta put a label here, huh? Label ID Under label. Okay. Inside the form element, you can select an option from a group of least 2 radial options that are grouped using the name attribute. What? Inside the form element, you're a person. Alright, you lost me, guys. Alright. I have this. Should not be empty. Oh, let's go ahead and title. Alright. ID of description. Yes. You should have a form element with an ID of survey form. Yes. Input element with an ID name. Name should have a type of text. Your name should require input. Your name should be descendant of survey form. Oh yeah. Should have an input element with an ID of email, which I have. I have all that. Should have an input element of ID of number, which I do. Descendant of whatever. Yes. Your number should have a type of number. Yes. Never have minimum attribute with a numeric value. Yes. Should have a label element with an ID of name label, which I do. Okay. Your name should have a placeholder attribute and value. Or we could put John or something. Or example. Yeah. Right? Does it want us to do that for email? Yes, it does. Here example 3 at and number should have a select field with an ID of drop down. Your drop down should have at least 2 selectable, not disabled option elements. Your dropdown should be a descendant of this one. You should have at least 2 input elements with a type of radio. So this is where we left off. Inputs, type, radio. Where are you? That are grouped using the name attribute? No idea, bro. I'm lost. Like, yeah. Name. Right. I'm doing so bad. I know it. How do you even start it on my style sheet? How do I do this? Okay. So, how come you don't have none of this div stuff? My style sheet? Like what? So what happens if I do this? Alright. Okay, okay. So you should have at least 2 input elements with a type of checkbox. No, here. All your radio buttons should have value attribute and value. Value. Should have at least 2 input elements. Checkbox. Yeah, I don't. Box. Text area. You should have an input or button element with an ID submit. Notice. Okay. Input submit. Your Shahad type. Submit. Okay. Text area. Oh, here it is. Text area. Text area. Hello? Where was I? This one? Text area. Right? Now let's run this. Wait, what? That's it? That doesn't even look good. There's no way I passed that by making that. It looks horrendous. How about we fix this up a little bit, huh? It's wow. Hey, I'll take it. I guess I finished. I, I thought it was gonna be a little harder than that. So we did this already. I mean, that looks horrible. That looks horrible. But we have to use it for like a resume or something. We just fix it up, make it look better. Learn CSS box model by building a whatever painting. What the heck is this? Don't remember how this works. Son of a gun. Okay, I gotta remember that this is what it looks like. HTML. With a head on it. There you go. Congratulations. the heck happening? Within the head element, add a meta within the head element. So meta tag, which sets the char set to UTF-8 title. Okay. Title element. I don't know if I'm doing this right. Within the body, add an image element. All right. Yeah. It's like 8:42. These people are still there in front of my freaking house. I can't believe it. Can't get out of my house. What the heck? You didn't change. You didn't change anything. Why are you doing this? Move the image element? What was the point of that? Uh, before you can start talking, think you do. Files. CSS. I just set the real option. Stop. Why? Even though your div has no text, it's still treated as a box with content. Right? CSS rule. This is doc canvas. Class selector. Bye with 2 pixels. Uh, dang. Oh, add height. 6. Change the background color. Frame. All right. Your new div. Oh, here you go. Whoopsie. Add a new rule. Frame. Border. 50. Yes. Not a black border. Okay. I think. Um. Wow. Yeah. This. So, padding. Okay, let's see here. Margin. 20 px and auto. How many steps does this thing have? I don't know. It's gonna be freaking 9 o'clock, bro. Out of here. Even you did that. Bro. Cause one. with, oh, that's wrong. Height to 50 pixels. Other. Come on, man. Margin. X. Auto. Wait. Set the horizontal but its top margin is pushing past the canvas and onto a previous border. Shift to get the entire canvas down 20 pixels. Adding padding 1px to the canvas. Okay. Element to give the one element something solid to push off of. Just to make sure. Replace padding property with overflow set to hidden. Overflow. That's weird. Oh, baby. What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning into the stream. I am learning how to code. You can go to FreeCodeCamp.org and start getting certificates for free on this website. Pretty sick. Brother. Okay. They're different. I was gonna say, dude, I could just copy and paste this junk. 475 px. Height is why aren't you typing? Dude, you're making me write all this junk. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Oops. I brought up this line of code for no reason. Oopsies. Dev. Uh, 28%. And now we have to change something here. Horizontal margin to auto and bottom margin to 20px. So maybe just this. Nope. Oh, we gotta do that. Okay, gotcha. I gotcha. What are we doing here? Use the filter property to blur the painting by 2px in the canvas element. Oops, filter. Blur property. Use the filter property to blur the painting. Oh, look at that. Okay. Blur. X. Damn. Wow. That's crazy. You should also code with a real text editor like VS Code or Sublime Text. Jiven? Oh yeah, definitely. But I mean, I'm not really coding like from scratch or anything like that. This is just these are just this is a course I'm taking on a website. So the website has a built-in like code editor or whatever. So I have to put it in here for the course. Apparently there's like VS Code is like, I guess what you could start with, or Sublime Text. But there's like these other editors that apparently I've heard are really good. Especially, apparently Copilot is like one that people are using, but at the same time it's not good because it makes you lazy, like a lazy coder. And then in reality, it suggests a bunch of code, and then you don't even know what you're writing in the end, and don't know how to debug your own code. So, we're doing? We're good here? Increase the blur effect by 1 pixel. So can we do this here? 1, 2, filter, blur, X, 1 pixel. Does that work? Son of a. Oh, we gotta use a comma. Rip. Rip. Forgot about the comma. 78%. Dude, I've zoomed through this one. Holy crap. Increase the blur of 3 by 2 pixels. So we're already in the 3, right? Yes, we are. 2 pixels. Boom, baby. All right, what the heck's going on here? Box shadow. Copilot is an AI assistant, so you just prompt to do things and don't learn anything. Yeah. But I heard a lot of people apparently are using Copilot to write code, which is crazy. Huh. Why is my text chat so small? What the heck? Can't even read it. There you go. What was I doing? Box. Shadow. Let's go ahead. Boom. Boom. Use the same box shadow declaration for 2, but change the color. Okay. shadow 3 with the values. Okay, one element by round each corner of the one element by 9 pixels using the border radius. Oops. How do we do it? Nope. Oops. There you go. Top left radius and bottom right radius to APX. And bottom left radius to 10. 30 pixels to the top right by 25 pixels. Okay, so we do the pixel 25 and right 60 12. I want to zoom through this stuff, bro. I want to get all the certs on this website and then boom, apply for a job somewhere. My goodness. I could be an intern, paid internship or something, because I am going to college too. So use the transform property. Transform. And rotate it. Rotate 0.6 degrees. Oh. I was so close. Oh, counterclockwise. Negative. Wow. I was so close. Do you guys see how close I was to that code? That was the first time I ever wrote that. Crazy. Crazy. So now we're gonna do the same thing again. Oop. Counterclockwise or clockwise? It's clockwise, so it's positive. Huh? Yeah. I picked that up real quick. I'm gonna be an amazing coder. My goodness. And we are counterclockwise. Wait, no, my bad. Counterclockwise. That's be negative. 100%. We're done. We did it. We did it. Let's go. Boom, 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 boom. Do 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 do. This is long, bro. Still got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got 14 left. I want to get this done before Sunday. I want to get this done this week. That's 6 days. I gotta do 3 of these a day. So far, how many did I do? I did this one and this one. So I gotta do tomorrow. 2, 3. I gotta do 3 of these tomorrow. Alright, let's check. So Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, Tuesday. 1, 2, 3, Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, Thursday. 1, 2, 3, Friday. 1, 2. That'll be Saturday. On Saturday, I'll be doing the end of it. So, I mean, I could do 3 on Sunday. I don't have to do it. I could do 2 a day instead. 2 a day would be fine. We should be done by Sunday. So 2 of these each day for this rest of this week, and I'll be done with this certification. It's good goal, baby. Good goal. All right, everyone. Thank you for tuning into this stream, and if you watched the whole entire video, thank you. So I'll get better and better as I go. Let's do it. Later.